Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to see video history on Facebook. Now to do that, open the Facebook application on your phone device first. Tap open the application and then get logged in into the account of yours. Now that you are logged in, what you need to do is you need to go and tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right. Tap that and there you scroll down to the video option from all shortcuts. Here are the shortcuts that are available for your Facebook account. You tap on video. Once you're at the watch section, here you will find all the videos on Facebook that you can watch. From here you need to go and tap on the search icon. Tap on search and then you need to go tap on videos you have watched. Tap that and here you will find all the list of videos that you have watched on your Facebook. You can see I currently do not have any video as I have not watched any video on this Facebook application. So if you regularly watch videos on Facebook, here you will find the list of those videos that you have watched. So this is a way how you can easily see video history on Facebook. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.